Great, ना? Oh, great. कहाँ से पता चला आपको शो के बारे में?
I already like the pages, so I come to know from Facebook.
That is why we tell keep liking the page. तब आपको ना बहुत सारी information मिल जाता है actually ना? Side 3. Very nice, you know. क्या लगाते हो आप? Pond's White Beauty.
No.
And we have really seen from last year, this year the competition is very strong, okay? Very strong. Now,
ang Agartala ni ang master degree pori tongo tabo ani tajamu ge painting khainani dancing khainani te beraina ni muthu hambai
dancing, painting and
traveling.
Traveling. So, you're a nature lover?
Yes.
त्रिपुरा का सबसे interesting place कौन सा है traveling के लिए?
There are many places, but last year I went to one place that is Coconut Island, and it is very far away, like very much interior, and from this Agartala it's very far. And
IT will contact you. आप हमें ले जाओगे वहाँ पे, right? Oh, I'm so sorry. I mean, but still, you know, like the strength जो आपने दिखा ना, मैंने जो बोला, you have a very determined strength because it is because you know like कुछ है आप में जो सी Pond's का और भी वो होगा. Okay, 3, 2, 1, walk. Once more, side 3. Okay, slowly. All right, enjoy this. All right, 3, 2, 1, walk. Hi, Shefali. Hi, Shefali Rian.
Natarok Luka, ani mungke Shefali Rian, ai para Damchura, mungke amro Dharmanagara class 12 final year, taklayo, ke jung ajimum kubloi, amung apa?
You're from Dharmanagar.
Dharmanagar में रहती हूँ, but मेरे Damchura.
Okay, okay. Okay. शेफाली कैसे पता चला आपको शो के ऑडिशन के बारे में? आपने लाइक किया और एक पेज को लाइक किया आपने संस्कृत मेगा ब्रिज नॉर्थ ईस्ट किया श्योर ओके और आपको पता है ना रिजल्ट्स वोडाफोन ऐप्स में अवेलेबल होगा राइट ओके और आप टैलेंट आउट में क्या करना चाहते हैं
कहो या ना कहो
A soul thing.
Okay, good walk. Once more. Let's see. 3, 2, 1. Walk. Go back. Once more. Okay, do one thing. Up. You have got very nice, thick, shiny hair, black shine hair. Okay. Maybe light में थोड़ा blonde दिख रहा है. Okay, cool. Kalpita Nath. So how did you get to know?
So from some of my college friends.
And the college friends?
IT from social.
Okay, great. Kalpita, tell us something. We want to know about Kalpita Nath. Okay. So just reveal something about Kalpita.
Hello everyone, to one and all here present here. My name is Kalpita Nath, and currently I just passed out from NIT Agartala from Chemical Engineering branch, BTech, and now I'm looking for my further future. That's why I'm here. And about myself, I'm passionate about singing and about proving myself. And rest is that my strength is that I'm hardworking and I'm diligent about what I do. And my weakness is that when I am anxious